Good afternoon. This is meteorologist Trey Mining with your KWBJ Channel 22 weather forecast. Weather brought to you by Tesh Regional Medical Center. An absolutely gorgeous day setting up for us here in Louisiana. Cool, dry air coming in from the north, cooling us out, drying us out, and also giving us a gorgeous weekend coming up. The rain we had earlier has pushed all the way into Georgia, now extending on into Tennessee and Kentucky. Had reported some severe weather near Birmingham earlier this morning. Taking a look at the weather on a national scale, we see the rain we had around the low pressure area in Tennessee, down into central Alabama and Georgia. A lot of rain in central Florida with a developing low pressure center there. 2 to 3 inches has already been recorded in Orlando and in Tampa. Easy to see an upper level low pressure area with some winter precipitation in northern Great Plains states, and out west another frontal system pushing into Washington and Oregon. And this will be affecting our weather by Tuesday, but by Saturday it'll be right along the spine of the Rocky Mountains with some showers and snow showers there. And here's the storm still hanging in on the east coast in the United States, bringing some gusty winds and rain to New England by Saturday and Sunday. Bringing it down to south Louisiana for you. By 6 o'clock we expect temperatures 60 to 61 degrees in the New Orleans-Slidell area. But for us, right here along Highway 90, we expect about 6 o'clock, temperatures 58 to 59 degrees, 58 degrees also in Baton Rouge. Tonight, with the clear skies and the low humidity, temperatures will be able to radiate back into space and cool us down quite a bit than we've been having the last couple of days, with lows in the upper 40s to near 50 right along Highway 90, the Houma, and also Morgan City area. Quite a bit cooler away from the water in Baton Rouge, near 50 for a low in New Orleans. For tomorrow, temperatures rising and rebounding quite nicely in the low 60s throughout the forecast area, and also right along Highway 90 where we are in the mid-60s we can expect under beautiful sunny skies. For tonight, 48 degrees here in Morgan City proper, clear skies, good for stargazing, westerly winds 10 to 15. Tomorrow, a sunny day, low humidity, get out and enjoy it while we have it. Northwesterly winds about 15 to 20 miles per hour. With that extended outlook, good news that weather is going to continue nicely through the weekend. Hope you have some plans to get out and enjoy this beautiful weather. Increasing clouds by Monday, chance of rain on Tuesday, highs in the upper 60s, lows upper 40s to near 50. This has been meteorologist Trey Mining with the KWBJ Channel 22 weather forecast brought to you by Tesh Regional Medical Center.